Here we are YouTube, I'm trainer Jason XXX and now we're about to continue our journey. We have to go, not here. We have to go here, not here, I'm sorry. Here I think, yes, talk to this guy. Okay. He gave us the Explorer kit. Now we can go to tunnels. Yes, I'm sorry. Yes. I'm playing on computer, I don't know if this is possible, we will find out. Anyway, no, let's close this, we will find out later. Let's go south now. Let's go south. This is a bicycle road. Let's face all of these trainers. First one is this trainer, he's having a Staraptor pre-evolution. I'm having Rimblap. I score a critical hit and Staravia is down. Let's progress this trainer. Okay, fine, whatever you say. She's having Sinks. I'm stuck with Bubble, I don't have anything else. I don't have a better move. Bubble. Let's go on, let's continue. Now we have to face this guy, this bicycle rider. Yes, I'm going to challenge you and beat him. He's having only one Pokemon, that's Ponyta. It's faster, of course. I go for the bubble and the second bubble will take it down. Hopefully we will... please. Yes! Finally, I will get rid of Bubble. About time. Finally. Bubble is gone. Let's fight here too. We're not stuck in Bubble anymore. That's great. Starlight, and now I have Bubble with bitches. Bye bye. Hi and bye bye. Let's fight this guy. He's having Starlight again. That's a lot of Starlights. And Staravia. Oh, finally I can switch, I can set out Luxio first. Now. Let's go down. There are some trainers here, let's beat them. She's having a Pikachu. It's time to train Luxio now. Pikachu is down. Next one is this trainer over here. Let's beat him too. Here, I don't know what is he or she. She is a girl. She's Rachel, and she's having a Sinks. Bite. And another bite. Now we are 22 level. Let's go, let's put Kadabra first. No. Kadabra, here we are. And now we can get out of here and progress our journey. This is done Professor's assistant. She gave us the Versus Seeker, which is great. Now we can train a lot. Okay, let's go through here and fight these guys. Let's do a double battle actually. Partsirisu. I lead with beat off anyway. I have to switch out and send out Luxio. Spark and the Parahax. Too bad you are paralyzed too now. And no charge. Spark. Partsirisu is down. Kadabra is 21 now. Bite and Confusion. And we'll be with these guys. Now we can progress. This item is a super potion. Let's fight this guy. He's having Exploded and Bonjour. Now I have to switch out because Bonjour has a double resistance to my attacks. Actually, Confusion is my only attack. Let's go in here. A Team Plasma member, I don't know what he wants here. Okay. Yes. Ugh. Macho. Bye bye, Macho. And another rock left. I love my Bidoof. So we can progress now. Let's fight this guy. Yodu. And another Yodu. Miracle Eye, that's useless I think. Another trainer, let's fight him and beat him. He's having only an Onyx. These Pokemon have really low special defense, so they are not a problem. Let's see what item this is. It is Pokeball. Yes, I want a battle. Combi, whatever its name is, and Roselia. That is way too decisive. Kadabra is 23 now. Let's send Murkrow now first to catch up with the others. Another trainer. He's having Mr. Man Jr. That's very good for us. 22 and Bronzely. This is Sudowoodo's pre-evolution. Okay, it is down, and now we're ready to go to the new town in the next video. Here we are in Hearthome City.